Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Cryptoshegz, and today I'm doing something special. I'm covering a very, amazing story of how NFTs can change people's lives, and it's about this guy right here. His name is Adisa Olashile, youth corper, and what that means is he's finished from the university and he's serving his nation. It's a paramilitary requirement for us in Nigeria. If you've graduated from a higher institution, you actually take a year off, you're posted to a different part of the country, and you're, in quote, serving your nation there. Okay, so he's an NFT creator, he's a phone photographer. He takes pictures and edits them with his Apple, and he's an award-winning photographer. So he's got a skill. He's not just a random guy that has a phone and is taking pictures. No, he's a skillful photographer and he uses an Apple phone to take pictures. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, he's got 31,000 plus followers and he's following about 5,000 people. Okay, so this is his link tree. So I went there and he's got some work on foundation. He's got his TikTok, he's got an Instagram account, and he's got an OpenSea account. So I went to his OpenSea and boom. Okay, so he's got um artwork on his OpenSea, right? So that's his wallet address. Same guy, and he's got different stuff on his OpenSea. Okay. Now, before I continue, I'll tell a quick story of this man right here. Okay, so this man right here, he's an older man, as you can all see, somebody's grandfather, obviously, and this man is a Nigerian drummer, right? The name of his drum, we call it gong gong. It's like gone gone, but we call it gong gong, right? And if you look at the back here, you see this girl, you know, in some kind of outfits, and there are a lot of them here in different outfits as well. So basically, what's happening here is that they are the youth corpers that are like Adisa Olushile's colleagues, right? Now this man comes there and he beats the drums and everything. So he got an idea someday and he took a picture of this guy and he took two pictures of this guy and he put it on OpenSea and his work was collected, right? His work was collected by someone and just wait a minute, let this come up. His work was collected and it was sold for 0.3 Ethereum, right? And then the other one as well was collected and sold for 0.3 Ethereum. So in both cases, he made 6 Ethereum. So this is it right there. Okay, so that's it. 0.3 Ethereum. It was collected by. Oops, I had refreshed my page. So pardon me. I had refreshed my page because it was kind of like open before. All right. So I need to change my laptop really. I need to get a faster machine. But if you look up here, you see the number of slides that are open. It's the number of tabs that are open. Okay, so look at it. Drummer smile. Okay. So yeah, this man's picture was sold by the same guy, Adisa Olashile, and this is the proof that it was sold because it was captured here in this, ledger kind of thingy that OpenSea has got. So it was listed 9 days ago, and exactly 9 days ago, it was also picked up by this dude right here. Shush, man, get the heck out of here. Don't mind me. But like I said, my PC has been on for 2 weeks. I've not shut it down in 2 weeks. I just put it to sleep. Anyway, so it was picked up by this dude right here. That's a collector. So he bought this and he bought this other one. Okay. So now what Adisad has done while we're waiting for this to come up, I'll just quickly leave. And what this dude has done is he gave half of this. This was about a million naira, 0.6 Ethereum. It was about a million Nigerian naira, right? So he gave half of this to the man. Okay. So let's see. He gave half of that to that man. And in essence, he changed that man's life because this man does not make up to that in a year, right? So NFTs actually changed this guy's life. And of course, it changed Adisa's life as well. Because when he was taking this picture, he had about 7,000 followers. Now the thing had gone kaboom, almost viral. Because for something to go viral, it has to be over a million views. But it's gone really kaboom. Now he's gotten 31,000 followers, so he's really done well. But guess what? That's the money he gave to the man, and then he captured this moment. when he gave this to the man as well. And this is exactly how NFTs are changing people's lives, you know. So yeah, he captured this, you know, and he minted this, and then he listed it for 1.1 Ethereum, right? That's it right there. Minted for 1.1, listed for 1.1 Ethereum. And guess what? Boom, 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 boom. 21 hours ago, this same collector picked it up for 1.1 Ethereum. So in essence, from this video here, right, and these two images here, Adisa Olashile has been able to make 1.7 Ethereum, and he gave half of the first 0.6 Ethereum to this man, and boom, he's in essence changed this man. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, this man does not make 500,000 naira a year. I can tell you that for free. But they make just enough to survive, and they're happy. He's not materialistic, as you can see, but this has changed his life, right? So yeah, shout out to you, Adisa Olashile. You're doing something special. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. So look at that. He's actually also been selling some of his art on OpenSea, as you can see. I just picked those three to do this video on, and so he sold several here. And look at that. So yeah, look at him here. He says, okay, Telegram DMs cannot be attended to. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And he's using Twitter, so he's been doing some spaces as well, which is cool. But you see, if you are into NFTs, there's certain things you need to do, right? You can't just put a picture up there and expect that it will sell. Just like you can't build the finest house in the middle of a jungle and expect that people will go there. People need to know that your work is out there. People need to know that, of course, you have to do beautiful work in the first place. Because if I know that your work is out there and it's not beautiful, I'm not going to buy. Several people are not going to buy. So look at this right now. He's got 32,300 followers. So an extra 1,000 people have followed this dude because of NFTs, man. This is amazing. This is cool. I mean, this is his TikTok. We can quickly go to his Instagram and go to his TikTok. He also has something listed on Foundation. Foundation is another marketplace, where you can list your art. You can put one of ones there, But yeah, this guy is doing some fantastic stuff with NFTs, and I mean, I'm happy, even though the stuff. But I mean, you need to be able to help people change their lives, and that's what you can do with NFTs. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sharing this with you to let you see the power of the NFT, you know, um, technology, and to see the power of the blockchain. Because what has been happening is this: you could actually track these transactions on the blockchain, right? You can track the transaction on the blockchain. Of course, when he handed this money to that guy, you know, when he handed the money to that guy, that wasn't on the blockchain because this man doesn't have a wallet. So how would you have been able to send money to him, Ethereum to him, right? Yeah, but he cashed it out and he gave it to him right here. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, you need to put yourself out there. You can't just mint. I know guys that just have minted stuff and they're not doing shit. Pardon my French. But look at it here. It's got 68,700 followers. Number one, you need to master a skill. Number two, look at that, 29,000 likes, 287 comments. This is 46,000 likes, 6,000 comments. Look at that. Look at that. He's been doing stuff, right? So yeah, you need to put your work out there. This is free. It's free to open an Instagram page and list your work there. But you also need to master a skill. You can either be a videographer, you can either be a photographer, you can be so many things. And remember, NFTs, they're non-fungible tokens. So this here, let me just do a quick education. You can check out my free course on YouTube. You can check out my free course on YouTube to explain what NFTs are. It talks about the metaverse as well. It talks about smart contracts and blockchain, all the foundational stuff you need to know. So what we are looking at here is not the NFT, right? This picture is not the NFT. The NFT is actually a non-fungible token. It's a piece of code in a smart contract that sits on the blockchain, right? Now that piece of code, I don't know why this is not coming on, so pardon that. I'm going to skip here. So yeah, this picture is not the NFT. This is an NFT art, but this is not the NFT. The NFT is a piece of code that sits in a smart contract on the blockchain. Now that NFT actually points to this picture. Okay, this picture is stored somewhere. It might be on Amazon Web servers. It might be on IPFS. It might be on Pinata or Arweave. Those are places where you can store your NFTs. But look at that. Okay, so let me click details and let's see. Okay, so look at that. It's centralized. It's Ethereum ERC 1155. So that means that he can make multiple copies of this. And then token ID is this, and this is the contract address. So if I click the contract address, it takes me to Etherscan, and we can check what's going on there. Okay, but remember, the NFT was now, when you mint an NFT, you kind of, in a layman's terms, you connect it to this picture. So you point that NFT that is sitting in a smart contract on a blockchain, you point it to where this digital file is stored. Okay, so if it is music as well, you point that NFT to where the music is stored. And the reason why that happens is very simple. The blockchain is not designed to store massive information. Okay, so if you're going to put this picture on the blockchain, it's going to be freaking expensive to do, right? So what happens is this: you put a piece of code, a few letters, a few sentences of code, you put it there on the blockchain, and then it points to this digital file wherever this is stored. Okay, so that's how it works. Right, so let's look at his TikTok. I'm going to round up this video. We're done 11 minutes already. Right, so he's got a TikTok profile as well. So yeah, you need to put your stuff out there. Look at him here. He's got not so many followers, but he's got a lot of likes. Average engagement rate is 9%, which is not bad at all. So yeah, you need to put yourself out there. You need to connect with people on social media. You need to put out good work. You need to do something good. Remember, in my previous video, I did something about the that coffin dance, right? And in the coffin dance, the reason why it sold out for 327 Ethereum is very simple. Can you see here? This is what he's doing. Yeah, this is, I mean, look at the amount of, awesomeness. 192,700 views, right? On TikTok. Okay. Excuse me. So yeah, that's it. Awesome stuff. In that particular instance, they donated 50% to Ukraine. Ukraine is a big issue right now because there's war going on there and they need support. So yeah, that would get the attention of anybody that's a collector and has money in the world. That's number one. Number two, the NFTs also, the 327 Ethereum were split between 3 people, including Ben Aidu, who's the guy that is the founder of that business. That's coffin, that pall bearing business. So yeah, that's it with me, Cryptoshegz. I'm actually kind of like thirsty. Excuse me, let me drink a little bit of water. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Awesome stuff. We'll go back here and let me see whether this has finally come up. And if it hasn't come up, well, all well and good. So yeah, learn about NFTs and how they can change your life. All right, learn about NFTs and how they can change your life. To do that, there's a link in this video that'll take you to that course. It's a playlist. There are 18 videos like that are foundational, that will help you understand the concept of NFTs, right? And I think you should do yourself a favor and learn this stuff, because trust me, NFT is the future. This is Cryptoshegz signing out, and wherever you are in the world, boom! I hope you have a great and successful NFT experience. Bye bye for now.